Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good wherever you are watching me from. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. This is Cubes Out. On here we cook without seasoning cubes or powder because they have got MSG that is not healthy. Yeah, so you are going to be learning a lot from this channel. Please kindly consider being a part of this channel by subscribing to this channel, and as you watch this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up so you can perform better. Thank you. God bless you. Okay, so on this episode I just want to take you guys through this unboxing. So if you like juicing and sometimes you don't get to do that because you don't have the electric juicer, or sometimes there's no light to do that, now worry no more. You can get yourself this hand press juicer. Yeah, so it's very easy, just a manual juicer. You don't need electricity for this, and it's so simple to use. So I got this from Jumia and I decided to just take you guys along so we can just unbox. So we are unboxing and test running it at the same time. So first of all, we have to get it washed to get rid of contaminations and all of that. So I'm going to be washing first with cold water, then I'm going to be rinsing with salt and warm water as well. Friends, I also added vinegar just to ensure proper cleansing and also total destruction of any germ that may be, hanging on the surface. At this point, I just checked if it is completely free of grease, and it is free of grease. So yeah, we are ready to juice. Here I have just 4 pieces or balls of orange. So you just have to cut it open and introduce it into this juicer and then press it with your muscles. Yeah, you've got to apply some pressure so your juice can be squeezed out. This has just got a little juice in it, and I think the reason is that this orange is not that soft. It's a bit hard, so this type that over time the juice gets to dry in it, so it's kind of hard and didn't produce much juice. But not worry, do not get frightened, we still have 3 more to go, so I hope that I'm going to get enough juice from the remaining 3. So I'm just cutting through the second one, and with this I decided to cut into a different kind of shape to see if that would help in releasing the juice from it. So the other one I just cut into 2 round, this I cut it into 4. Well, almost like the first one, so there isn't any much difference. So I'm trying to check what could be the reason, or is it that the plate where this thing is really sitting, the way it slides is not, you know, suiting for the fruit to be able to release its juice. So because of that, I added more to, you know, make it, to load it more so that it will be able to press very well. But I don't think that is the issue with this. Well, that didn't really give me what I wanted. So, but I decided not to pour out the juice. Let me do other ones so that we can have plenty to pour out. I don't want to get disappointed again, please. I don't want my heart to cut. So I think this is better. So this one was more soft and, you know, had much juice in it. So it was better, but the pulp still has some juice trapped in it. So I think the fruits that this will be able to juice very well will probably be something like watermelon. And watermelon is a vegetable, not fruit though. So watermelon or things like cucumber, it will be able to juice it very well. But for oranges, it's not really doing justice to it. But sure, this is a manual juicer, so I really wasn't expecting, you know, wonders like that. Okay, but at this time I got some reasonable amount of juice, and yay, I am happy. Yeah, I am happy. My my glass cup is almost filled. Yeah. Wow, some more are still popping out. So we're gonna get more, possibly get our glass filled with this press. And yay guys, it's almost filled. Yeah, so it wasn't a waste after all. And then at this point we are done. So from the scale of 1 to 10, I would give it like say 7.